115 torque. I'm gonna take those 3 off first. And what you're gonna do is apply some tape. A few layers. Piece is gonna come flat. Just have to like twist it a little bit. You're gonna want to hand form it until it fits in there nice. And what you do is just kind of sit this here and twist. The screws will hold this in place, but it's just nice to get a general shape on it. And then peel this off. Carefully put this part into place. What you do is you do this middle one first, and it will kind of hold the part in position. You don't want to over tighten, you just want to snug it up. Go ahead and put this one. And then come to this one. Oh, they didn't touch me. What you're gonna do is leave this one open because the other ones are gonna have to come out now. So just kind of come back and follow me through. Okay. This one's the lit option, which we'll show you how to wire up. But for right now, I'm just going to show the Fender caps here. You don't want to over snug, you just want to snug it down. If you over tighten it, you'll warp the metal. or the other parts. What you're gonna do is snap the cap on and push it in. You'll hear it kind of like a snapping sound. What you can do is you can come back by with a hammer and give it a light tap with like a microfiber on it so you don't damage it. Snap them in. Something like that. I'm going to take this snub. Snap that cap on and repeat. Nice little shelf. Alright, so if they got the lit variant, your cable will come pre-wired with these two little ends on it. And we're going to be tapping into that courtesy light right there. You want to make sure that the courtesy light isn't on when you're going to tap this wire. The first thing you're going to need to do is unscrew these two little screws down here. Give you a little bit more working space. They just screw on. You're going to pull this gasket up, and this is going to give you the channel to kind of tuck your wire and get it into the cabin. Now exposed is the wires that you're going to T-tap to. Just slide this back. See, it just slides back. Black is your ground, white is your positive. In your kit, well, you're provided this little T-tap. You're going to put the wire here, kind of pull it down onto it, squeeze it, and clamp it on. You're going to need a plier. Pliers are the best way to do it. And you just squeeze it, and it'll clamp on that wire and make a connection. Do this one. You kind of just sit there. You just go like this and you squeeze it. It's got like a little latch in there that'll clip. Then what you're going to do is your red wire is your hot. Make sure the tabs are going in. A lot of the times what will happen is this connector will go on the top of the connection and won't make full contact. Both sides. Push them on nice and tight. And make sure they're on tight. And then go ahead and just kind of push this back up. Put these screws back in. And then you're just going to want to put your gasket on right directly over this wire and just kind of let it, you're just going to have to let it sit in there in this channel, just like that. And then you just push it down. And repeat the process for the other side. Light up with that courtesy lamp.